So a lot of people were asking me about this look I did the other day on Instagram, and the story's gone so no one can see it now. So I thought I'd do it on YouTube so it'd be here forever. So first I'm going to start with this Hourglass eyebrow pencil. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with SHISEIDO lash curler. Hold it for 10 seconds. It's crazy. Sometimes that's all you need, is just to curl your lashes. Smashbox makes a lid primer in a lot of different colors. So this is the light one, but they make one in dark too, and I love that. So this is the Heartbreaker palette from RINCON, and it came to me with a broken one. Ugh. But they're gonna send me a new one, but I'm kind of obsessed with this, so I think we should do something fun right now. Why not? And this Cupid color is kind of speaking to me, so I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna place the Cupid all over my lid. What a fun color. This isn't exactly what I did on the Instagram, so I'm kind of switching it up, but whatever, right? Then I'm gonna go in and just kind of blend it. So I placed it down and I'm using a blending brush to blend it. So see the difference? Just a little, it takes away the harshness. Love. Now I kind of feel like I just need like a little bit more mood like on the corners. That's just me, so I'm gonna use Femme on the corners just to give it a little smokiness. There we go. So this is kind of a party. Now I used to have the kind of eyes that you could do this kind of stuff and it would look so bomb, but I'm a little older now and I have a little crepiness going on, but it doesn't mean you can't wear fun colors. You just gotta blend, and just less is more, you know what I mean? Like I wish I could put like 700 colors and it would look so cool, and when I was younger it did, but now I'm older. So I need to be a little bit more responsible with my makeup. So friends don't let friends drink and do makeup. What could be more fun than putting a colored liner on to go with this? So Dior came out with all of these new liquid liners that are waterproof and matte. We have everything from black to blue to pink to aubergine. I think I'm gonna do a blue. Like that could be fun, right? A blue on this? Let's do it. So I'm using the matte pop blue Diorshow On Stage Liner. Yes, blue! Now I kind of want to go with the yellow and do like a yellow flick, like a feline flicky flick. And then just because we have so many colors, I might just throw another color in. A little pink on the corner. Let's see how this blue looks. I mean, now I'm like obsessed. This blue's a little lighter than the other blue. Maybe I'm gonna use all of them. Now use a little white. What do we think? Just like some polka dots? It's not bad. Aubergine. Yes, aubergine. Now we're gonna go in and do some mascara. So we have Illegaleyes by Doll 10. I'm gonna do a coat of black, and then we might do some color again. Dior also came out with different color mascara. So I was thinking we could put like purple on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go back with the white and just kind of define it a little bit more. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna use their new Essential High Coverage Cream from JOUER. Oh, almond, that's my color. That's my color, guys. So I'm gonna place the almond all around. And this is, again, JOUER just came out with 50 shades of this. 50 Shades of JOUER. What a funny play on words. And this is like so heavy for me, but I really like it, especially if you're trying to like highlight this crazy makeup that I did. Not crazy, but crazier for me. I don't even need concealer. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. I'm going to set this with a little Laura Mercier powder. It's very like Alice in Wonderland. Be fearless, be limitless. This is from a brand called REALHER. This is their blush kit. I'm using Limitless. I'm being really petite with this. I've never used this brand, so I'm taking a little and adding it. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe I shouldn't be fearless. Maybe you should do something that makes you uncomfortable. Yes, it's pretty. I like it. Being conservative. Now I'm like, give me more of this. REALHER, look at you, honey. We might as well use their bronzer. They have one. So let's try the Unstoppable. Just do a little contour. Wow. Okay. Get it, girl. Get it, the REALHER. Whoever you are. Just heard about this brand like yesterday. I like it. Let's do a lip. It's a brand called Tipsy. If I had a line, this is what the packaging would look like. So I'm kind of bummed out about it, but it's okay. Really cute. Okay, so this is Happy Birthday. Super chill. Super relaxing. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone today, but I'm feeling it. The white is really there to show you what the white looks like. I might even go back with the yellow and try to make that a little more pronounced. And this is it. Kind of crazy. I really like this lip. I really like everything. Don't be afraid to use color. Look, I'm a woman of age and I'm using color and it's fun. And I didn't have to go crazy, and you don't have to do 700 different, you know, eyeshadows. I used 2. I could have just used 1. It looks really pretty. I used a primer. Anyway, you just saw the whole tutorial. I don't need to like recap it for you, but guys, subscribe and subscribe to everything. Go on my Instagram at Jamie Makeup and just tell me what you guys want to see. I'm here to help. Let me know what you want to see. I'll do it for you. Guys, I'm a mom of 3. Am I? That's crazy. Anyway, enjoy. Have a great weekend. Love you, mean it.